In this video, I will show you how to enable HDMI-CEC and ARC on your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the Android TV version, but the process is going to be similar if you have a TCL Google TV or Roku TV. Now in case you do not know, HDMI-CEC is actually the feature that allows you to be able to control other devices that are connected to your TCL Smart TV through a HDMI cable. So you can basically turn on or turn off other HDMI devices that are connected to your TCL Smart TV by using just your TCL Smart TV remote. Now basically what you want to do is to go ahead and press on the settings button on your TCL remote control. Now you can literally see the settings button over here on my remote control, or alternatively, if you're using a TCL remote just like this one over here, then you should see the settings button over here on your remote control. You can literally see the settings icon. So just go ahead and press this button on your TV and the settings menu should pop up on the right hand side of your TCL Smart TV over here. Now basically what you want to do is to just scroll down until you get to system settings over here. Now just scroll down and then you should see the CEC option over here. Now go ahead and select this option and then make sure you turn on HDMI CEC if it is not turned on already. Now once HDMI CEC is turned on, you're going to see other options you can actually customize on your TCL Smart TV. For instance, you can go ahead and change the auto power on that allows other devices to automatically turn on your TCL Smart TV once they are connected through HDMI together. And then there is also the auto standby that also does the same thing as the auto power on, but then it puts your TV on standby. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.